Welcome to a journey through the macabre and the mysterious, as we delve into the blood banquet, the most infamous feast in history. Throughout time, humanity's fascination with the grotesque and the unusual has led to some truly unforgettable gatherings, where the line between celebration and horror blurs. From ancient rituals to modern-day spectacles, we'll uncover the shocking stories behind these infamous feasts. Brace yourself for tales of excess, intrigue, and the darkest corners of human nature. Join us as we unearth the secrets of history's most notorious banquets. Don't forget to subscribe for more chilling explorations into the past. The cannibal banquet of the Donner Party. In the winter of 1846 to 1847, the Donner Party, a group of American pioneers heading to California, became trapped by heavy snow in the Sierra Nevada mountains. With supplies dwindling and rescue efforts failing, desperation set in. Resorting to cannibalism, they consumed the flesh of their deceased companions to survive. This grim episode, known as the Cannibal Banquet, remains one of the most harrowing tales of survival in American history. It serves as a stark reminder of the extreme measures people are willing to take when faced with dire circumstances. The Last Supper of Tsar Nicholas I. In the final days of the Russian Empire, Tsar Nicholas II, along with his family, held a poignant dinner on the night of July 16 to 17, 1918. This meal, known as the Last Supper, was tragically symbolic, as it occurred just hours before the Romanovs were executed by Bolshevik revolutionaries. Gathered in the Ipayev house in Yekaterinburg, the family shared their last moments together, unaware of the imminent fate awaiting them. The Last Supper has since become a haunting reminder of the fall of the Russian monarchy and the end of an era. The wedding feast of King Henry VIII. King Henry VIII's wedding feasts were lavish affairs, often marking significant political alliances or personal triumphs. One notable feast was his wedding to Anne Boleyn in 1533. Despite its opulence, this feast was overshadowed by the circumstances surrounding it. Henry's desire to annul his marriage to Catherine of Aragon led to the English Reformation, resulting in the formation of the Church of England. This feast symbolizes not only Henry's romantic entanglements, but also the seismic shifts in religion and power that characterized his reign, making it an infamous event in history. The Feast of Attila the Hun. Attila the Hun, infamous for his ferocity, held a feast that sent chills down the spines of his enemies. In 453 AD, he celebrated his wedding to Ildiko with lavish indulgence. However, this feast would be his last. Historical accounts suggest that Attila indulged excessively in food and drink, leading to his sudden death that very night. Some speculate foul play, while others attribute it to natural causes aggravated by his gluttony. Regardless, the Feast of Attila the Hun remains shrouded in mystery and infamy, immortalized in tales of his reign and demise. The Black Dinner. The Black Dinner took place in 1440 in Edinburgh, Scotland. The event was held to reconcile a feud between the powerful Douglas and Livingston families. However, it ended in tragedy when the 16-year-old Earl of Douglas and his younger brother were invited to dine with the young King James I. During the feast, the boys were suddenly accused of treason and swiftly executed, shocking the guests. This ruthless act earned the dinner its ominous name and solidified the perception of betrayal and treachery associated with medieval Scottish politics. The Banquet of Cleopatra. The Banquet of Cleopatra is steeped in legend and intrigue, depicting the opulent excess of the ancient world's most powerful woman. According to historical accounts, Cleopatra, seeking to impress Mark Antony, hosted a lavish feast where every dish was infused with pearls dissolved in vinegar, symbolizing her wealth and extravagance. The spectacle reportedly culminated in an act of decadence when Cleopatra dissolved one of her priceless pearl earrings in a goblet of wine and consumed it, a gesture that epitomized her unrivaled grandeur and extravagance. This legendary feast has since become synonymous with indulgence and luxury in history's annals. As we conclude our exploration into the blood banquet, the most infamous feasts in history, we're left with a vivid tapestry of the darkest corners of human indulgence. From ancient rituals to modern controversies, these feasts have left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. If you found this journey as fascinating as we did, don't forget to subscribe for more intriguing insights into the annals of history. Stay tuned for our next delve into the extraordinary. Subscribe now